Hello and welcome back to TNV Academy. Today's video is all about an essential part of environmental performance evaluation. How to set baselines and targets in ISO 14031. Whether you are implementing an environmental management system or simply aiming to improve your sustainability performance, this step is crucial for success. So let's break it down in a simple and practical way. And before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TNV Academy for more ISO and compliance related content. What is ISO 14031? ISO 14031 is a guidance standard that helps organizations evaluate their environmental performance. It doesn't set requirements like ISO 14001 but gives flexible tools and methods to measure how well your organization is doing environmentally. Two key components of this process are baselines, whether you are starting from, and targets, whether you want to go. Let's understand how to define and use them effectively. What is a baseline? A baseline is your starting point, a reference value used to compare future environmental performance. It can be based on a specific year or period, like 2023, water consumption, a process or operation such as emissions per unit produced, or an event like a major system upgrade. A good baseline must be well documented, realistic and relevant. Based on reliable data, without a clear baseline, it is hard to measure progress. What is a target? A target is the specific result you want to achieve, usually over a defined time frame. Targets should follow the SMART rule: specific, clear and focused; measurable, that is quantified with data; achievable, that is realistic within available resources; and relevant, aligned with businesses and environmental priorities. Time-bound, with a clear deadline. For example, reduce electricity consumption by 15% per unit of product by the end of 2026 compared to the 2023 baseline. How to set baselines and targets? Here is a step-by-step process. Step 1. Identify key environmental performance indicators, that is EPIs, like energy use, water, waste or emissions. Step 2. Collect historical data to establish your baseline. Step 3. Analyze trends, legal requirements and stakeholder expectations. Step 4. Define short-term and long-term targets based on your baseline. Step 5. Communicate the targets to your team and integrate them into your environmental programs. Best practices. Always review and adjust your baselines. If processes change, keep your data consistent and traceable. Involve top management. This improves accountability. Use visual dashboards or tools to track progress. To wrap up, setting baselines and targets in ISO 14031 is a powerful way to manage and improve your environmental performance. It provides a structure, clarity and motivation for your sustainability journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others in the environmental or ISO space. And of course, subscribe to TNV Academy for more expert content on ISO standards and performance management. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.